Hey guys, what's happening? Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with a couple of repair projects. The Atlantic and Western 40-foot and the Warwick Railways boxcar. This one's the Fox Valley piece and this one's the Atlas piece. The Atlas piece is very simple. As I said in the unboxing, everything looked okay, and now we're just ready to put the trucks on and this car will be ready to go. So I found the pins that go with the holes, and these just go right in the hole. They are tricky to get in there, especially if you have big fingers. Just push them in with your finger. A second. And we've got it. Perfect. There's one. Now with this guy, this is a Fox Valley boxcar, and as you can see, this does have the microtrains parts. Now this one, as you can hear, the weight has popped loose, and during the unboxing, I fixed the truck, which just was a simple pin that just needed to come out. So now we just have to pull the whole frame assembly off the shell in order to access the weight. You have to be really careful on how you grab this. Sometimes it might help if you take a truck out to get a bigger bite. There, we got some coming. I have never seen this before. Looks like the weight just goes right on there like this. So what I'll first off do is put the truck back in. Sometimes the pins are just a little aggravating. Just gotta line up that little hole. Pin goes right in. Now the truck is back in. So now it looks like the weight goes on. Now I'll get some glue. In this case, I'm just going to use a little bit of wood glue. And the weight is pristine. Spread it around a little bit. All right, now we'll let it tack up, and then we'll put the shell back on it, and the shell just basically just slips on, but I'm gonna let the glue attach to this a little bit, and I'll put the shell back on off camera. But two cars have been fixed. This one, the only thing I had to do was pop the truck and put the weight back on. This one, new set of trucks, and she's good to go. So you'll be seeing these in action real soon. So there you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this was of some help. Some guys are always thinking, hey, I can't get rid of the weight noise. A little bit of glue fixes that, or Sometimes, when shipping, cars get a little bit dislodged. So just remember when you open up the cars or whatnot, check for dislodged parts, because sometimes it can just be a real quick fix and the car's on the rails. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'd like to thank you all so much for watching.